That's called Otis and the Tornado.
Otis. Otis and the Otis and the tornado.
Yeah.
Hi, Otis. They said hi to Otis.
Yeah, Otis is a tractor, right?
See? The bull snored.
The bull snort?
Yeah.
Snorted?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the bull roared at the fence and who is this?
Otis.
And the bull snored at Otis.
That's right.
Oh, here comes the tornado.
Yeah, here comes a tornado.
The bull snored.
The bull snorted again?
Yes.
Oh, goodness. He does a lot of that. Oh. I think we missed a couple pages. No. Oh.
Otis. Hi, Otis. Oh, cow and duckling and a flower.
A cow, a duckling, and a flower?
Yeah. Otis likes to play the duck and the baby horse and the nerd duck.
Yeah, he does, huh? Playing with the ducks and the horses? Okay.
The bull snored.
Yeah, the bull snorted.
The bull snored. And the bull snored at Otis.
At Otis, yeah.
And here comes the tornado.
That's right.
Here comes Otis. And the bull snored again.
Yeah. So what's Otis doing?
I'm trying to break into the fence.
Yeah.